Hey guys, in this video today, I'll be breaking down this 3-hour trade that I took on GBP CAD. I'm sorry, my voice. So first off, we're gonna start. I'm gonna go on the 1 hour time frame. So let me just delete everything here and let's rewind the charts and so you guys can follow up and see what I saw. All right. So I'm gonna go on the 1 hour time frame now. So first of all, if you watched my previous video, I said and I mentioned in that video, the market structure is the first indicator that you need. Therefore, you need to look at market structure first. So the market structure now is going to tell you where the market is going. The current market structure is very, very important. So you need to understand where the market is going. So you need to have a bias, meaning if you're on this chart now, you know that, okay, your bias is sells, your bias is buys, meaning the market structure will tell you that. So first of all, when I came here, I saw a low, right? I saw a high, then I saw a lower low, right? Then I saw a lower high. I saw a lower low, a lower high, then a lower low, then this lower low, final lower low. This is the last lower low that I saw. This is actually the lower low that I identified before going down on the 15 minutes time frame to take my trade. So when I saw this, I'm like, okay, if you watched my previous video, okay, on market structure, you know that if the market has been moving and breaking structures to the upside, all right, once the market shifts its structure to the downside by breaking these lows here, the last lower low, right? The last higher low that was formed in the market has been taken out. And when this happens, this is referred to as a change of character, meaning the market has shifted structure from bullish to bearish. So when I saw this, I now be like, okay, my bias is sells on the 1 hour time frame. Now I step down on the 15 minutes time frame, which is my entry time frame. So here you can see the market structure very clearly. It's trending down. Okay, let me delete this. So now the recent low here that has been broken, this is it. This low was taken out by this price leg. Let me replay this. Let me put this right here so it does not confuse you guys. Okay, this is exactly what I was looking at this particular point in time. All right, so this, my friends, is a break of structure, okay? Because the market was trending down to begin with. So this is a break of structure to the downside. And so when I saw this break of structure here, first thing that came to my mind was to identify my order block. And if you watched my previous video, I went detailedly explaining valid order blocks. I was differentiating valid order blocks from invalid order blocks. So when I came here, first thing I looked at the extreme highs of this price leg and I saw that there was no order block here. As a matter of fact, the order block here that was here is not valid because it does not meet the rules that I set for valid order blocks, which are, let me cover them again. This order block here must be a smaller candle. Then the next candle that forms should engulf the previous candle, meaning your order block should be engulfed by the new candle. All right, it should be engulfed to the downside, meaning this black candle should be bigger than the bullish candle here. Then I should see imbalance, unmitigated imbalance, meaning the imbalance that is created there should not be wicked. No wick should be running inside. No candle should touch it. It should be clean and a virgin. It should be virgin. It should be a virgin a point of interest. The order block should be very, very clean, not tapped by any wick whatsoever. All right. So this price, like this particular high here, did not meet up with those criteria. So this is not a valid order block, in my own opinion. Okay. You can see here this bullish candle here has a wick all the way down here. Then the next, this is candle A, candle B, candle C. See now this candle C here and candle A kind of aligned together, closing up any gap that was there. So there's no reason for the market to pull up all the way and reject here because there's no imbalance to be filled. However, I looked just lower than that, just down. I saw this high here, which was looking really good. So this high had a very a tiny candle here. You can see this candle here almost without body, this candle here without body. All right, this candle here, you can see this is even the last high that took out structure. So the last high that took out structure is very, very key. So you look at it, you see that when this candle here, candle A is this candle, the last candle before the big push to the downside. All right, this is your candle A. Then we have candle C. Go and watch the other video so you won't be confused. I explained candle A, candle B, and candle C. This three candlestick pattern. I explained it very detailed in that video. So please watch it. I'll link it down below. I'll put a link of that video down below. You should watch it before coming back here. So yeah, this is the space that I'm talking about, right? You can see this gap here is referred to as imbalance. So imbalance is a gap in the market. Candle A and candle C form this gap. So I'll just write there, imbalance, IMB. All right. So this gap here must be filled by the market. The algorithm is designed in such a way that when space like this is being kept in the market, the price will awfully come back to fill it and evenly distribute price on both sides, buy and sells. Okay. So right now I have my order block right here. You can see this last buy to sell candle before the big push. I don't care if the candle is a bearish or a bullish candle, as long as the candle is the last candle before the big push. To me, that's my order block. So right there, I saw this and I immediately placed my order right there. So I had a sell limit order sitting right here. And just like I mentioned in the other video, I always aim for 1:3. All right. So my stop loss would just be like a buffer around there. Then my target was 1 to 3. Aiming for 3 times what I risked in the market. Then as I play price, you can see that just one candle alone tagged me in this trade and gave me profits even before. You see here, this one candle here, this first wick that entered here, it closed out. That means it just hit my TP immediately, like in how many minutes, in less than how many minutes. I was just like, flabbergasted by this trade. It was incredible. So I had to break down this chart. I had to make a video about this setup because it's so far the greatest. This is the fastest trade I've taken this year. It's amazing. So yeah, that's what I saw. Then where price is currently at, after I took my money, then the market just flew up. I'm sorry, the baby's crying, guys. Oh, my little sister. So there we go. That will be it for today, guys. If you picked up anything here, you should leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a link for I have a public Telegram group, Telegram channel that you can join. If you look to have a community that you can work with, I have a private group for paid memberships that people join there. They share setups, we discuss on it, and we go on live Zoom meetings every week to discuss your problems to get you profitable. Thank you for watching this video. If you find any value there, please consider subscribing because it goes a long way in supporting this channel. So as you all know, my name is Gislen, and see you in the next video.